we'll talk about how can you select who can replay to you on your Threads app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on Threads and replace here. So when you just click on it, you come to next step here. You come here to replace, and here can you select who can replay to you in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by